So we're going to show 2 more examples for domains that get a little more complicated. So I'm going to say square root of x minus 1 divided by x minus 5. Is this an even root? Yes. Is it a fraction? So now we have 2 things we need to do. With an even root, we do what? Good. So I say x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, so that would give me x is greater than or equal to 1. What do I do if it's a fraction? Good. Set it not equal to 0, so then I have x is not equal to 5. So now on a number line, I have 1 and 5. What do I do with 1? What kind of circle? Closed circle. What kind of circle on 5? Open. And do I shade up or down from 1? Up. So what that means is I can plug in any number that's above 1 except for 5. How do I do this? I put a bracket on 1. I make it go to 5. And what kind of thing do I put on 5? Parentheses. Good. And then I say union parentheses 5, and then it goes into what? Infinity, because it can go on forever and ever and ever. That means I can plug in from 1 to infinity any number except for 5. Yeah.
I don't understand like the brackets and the parentheses.
Okay, I'll cover them in a second. The next example I'm going to do is, let's say I had 1 over square root of 3x plus 6. Now, is there an even root? Yeah. Is there a parentheses? I'm sorry, is there a fraction? Yeah. Yes. So with an even root, what would I normally do? Set what's underneath the root greater than or equal to 0, right? But with a fraction, what do I not want? I don't want the equal, so all I'm going to do is take the equal away, and when I take the equal away, that solves my problem with the fraction. So now I'm just looking for something that's greater than 0. So I say 3x is greater than negative 6. X is greater than negative 2. What kind of circle do I put on negative 2? Shade up or down? So then my domain is parentheses negative 2 to infinity, because there will be any number above negative 2.